You will receive from $3 to $6 just for doing that. Maybe a 1 minute or even less, like a 30-second video, upload it to Clickworker, and yeah, you just got yourself $6. That's just, the easiest $6 ever. Yo, what is up guys, this is Hadi from Hadi Tech, back with another video. In today's video we're gonna be discussing one of the most legit websites to make money from. We have actually covered this website on the channel before, but I figured, you know what, let's just talk about it once again, because they have updated more stuff. They added more tasks and more jobs for you guys to actually work on. So if you are interested in making money on this site, if you have, like, I don't know, some job, regular job, 9 to 5 job, and you want to make money on the side, then this is the perfect website for you. It's called Clickworker, and it does offer a wide variety of actually good jobs that you can do just from your phone or from your PC. And we're gonna show you the type of tasks that are in this awesome website. We have actually generated over 500 euros of revenue just by working on this website, and we're gonna show you the payment proof afterwards. But yeah, before we jump into this video, as usual, like this video, comment, and subscribe to the channel. That will help us immensely. Also, if you are interested in actually learning other methods to make money online, then definitely tune in for our next videos that we will be dropping on the channel. But yeah, without further ado, let's just jump into this video. So like I said, the link will be in the description down below. All you need to do is just click on it, and it will take you to the front page of Clickworker. Then what you need to do is just very simple. It's like the usual stuff. You need to actually sign up or create your account on Clickworker. Click on sign up, and all you need to do is just fill in these details as usual: gender, first name, last name, email address, and password. Then confirm your password. Then you will be receiving an email, confirm that, and you are good to go. I would actually advise you to create the account from your phone, but if you don't want to do that, then it's fine. You can do that from your PC, then later on confirm the login from your phone. But definitely you need a phone to actually confirm the login, or like to authenticate your account basically. So you need a phone down the line. All right, so let's just go ahead and log in and show you the type of tasks there are in this website. All right, now we are in our account, and as you can see, the first thing that you can notice, we do have 45 euros in our balance, and we do have 25 out of that 45 that is actually payable, so we can withdraw that 25. That makes sense. But yeah, before we actually get down to the bottom of the tasks and how you can work on those, let's just go and click invoices, just to show you that this is a legit website and it does actually pay. All you need to do is just fill in your payment method, whether that be Payoneer or PayPal. That's just that. Everything that you make on this website will be transferred to you through your payment method of choice. Okay, and as you can see, we do have multiple payments that we actually got from Clickworker. We have 165, 175, 27, 156, 24. So it's over 500 euros that we made on this website, as you can see. So if we're talking credibility, then yeah, this website is actually credible. So let's just go ahead and click on jobs, and there's multiple jobs that you can do. First, we have onboarding jobs. This is just for you to familiarize yourself with the platform, and then you can proceed to more rewarding tasks. You have multiple tasks. For example, we have photo capturing. So for example, if you are like chilling on a lunch break at your work and you want to make some money on the side, you can take some photos, upload them in here, and yeah, you can earn money from that. We have video creation. If you want to, I don't know, if you are like at home, you got some hours to spare, you want to create some content, upload it to this website and earn from it as well. You got also voice recording. You can record your voice, or you will actually be given some scripts, record your voice, upload them, then earn from that as well. Also, you got surveys. You'll just be partaking in some surveys, you will earn money from that. Basically, you have more tasks that you can do. All right, so let's just get down to some more jobs in here. This one is actually the most rewarding. Okay, it's called URShares. It's a platform owned by Microsoft, and it has some learning curve to it. So there is a course coming out soon by me that I'm creating about this platform. If you guys are interested, I'm gonna link in the description down below, down the line, and you can get to working with the URShares. All right, we got this task in here. For example, it says ask your parent or grandparent that are above 70-year-old to actually train authentication app. Okay, and you will receive from $3 to $6 dollars just for doing that. Maybe a 1 minute or even less, like a 30-second video, upload it to Clickworker, and yeah, you just got yourself $6. That's just the easiest $6 ever. You got here also from another training AI or training art app job. This is just for teens, I suppose, and yeah, you will get $2 for that. This is just a quickest $2 that you will ever earn. You got over here also some more tasks in the video creation tab. It says upload 3 short videos to help train also apps. Okay, so you have the right to actually work on these or not work on these, but I'm just showing you that you can actually make money with this website. It's just very very simple and easy. Also, you got some surveys in here, and for this particular one, it says speech recording of yourself, so you need to actually record yourself. If you are not comfortable with actually showing your face, you can just record your voice and get some money. And yeah, this is a suitable task for it. Okay. Also, you got some partner platforms in here. You got CPX, which is a well-known survey website that actually pays, and I'm sure that it does work in the US and in Canada and those countries. So yeah, in France in here it does not work, but in the US it does actually work. So you got CPX, you got this platform as well, Pure Spectrum. If you are into actually answering some question and earning from it, then yeah, definitely check these platforms out. Also, you got some testing work to do. Also, if you are like into gaming, as you can see, we have non-gaming and gaming tests. So for anybody that is interested in that, you can do it. And there is more jobs actually down the line. As you can see, take some photos, like I said, some videos if you are outside. Go to your supermarket and take, I don't know, a photo, or like not a photo but a video also. You see, like, there are just some simple tasks that you can do on this website and earn from it. So let's just take this one for example. Let's just click on it, and as you can see, just simple as clicking on forward link, and you will actually be taken to a link that opens, I suppose, the camera to your to your phone, excuse me. And yeah, you can record the supermarket or the photos in the supermarket. Okay, same thing in here. It says spring is here. Take a walk near a pool, garden, or pond or river. So if you are like outdoors, you love camping, you want to make some money on the side, you can take some photos and upload them onto Clickwork as well. So yeah, it's just simple as that, guys. Again, like I said, the most money that you can gain is just from this platform, which is called USRS. So if you are interested in that, let me down in the comments below. I know definitely consider dropping a separate video for it. And yeah, that's that. So yeah, do not miss the chance to actually make money with this awesome website. It's just, like I said, it boils down to you and if you want to make money or not. But yeah, that's it for our video. If you liked it, guys, drop a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. If you did not, then you are free to dislike this video. And yeah, take care of yourselves, guys. See you in the next one, and peace.